everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how can you fix this very well-known error which says pip is not recognized. So this is the error which you may have faced whenever you're installing anything from command prompt or even from Visual Studio Code or any other terminal like PowerShell. So why this happens, like why it is happening when things are working as expected earlier. And the reason behind this is because you are not running the pip from the path where your Python is installed, and that's the reason pip is not able to detect the path of the Python. So how can we fix it? To fix this quickly, we need to go to control panel and set our environment variable. Let's check it out how. So before doing anything, you need to go to the path where your Python is installed. So for me, this is the path, and I believe this is the default path. So you can also go and follow this, which is like C drive, user directory, then your username, app data, local, and program. So app data is the folder which is usually hidden, so you may have to type in sometimes, and then you can get onto this path. So here you can see a Python folder, and you will have another folder which is like the version. So once you are here, you can go ahead and open your control panel or the environment variable. So I will quickly go and do that for you. So go to environment variables, and okay, so this is the window you will see, and at the bottom you can see a button environment variables. Click on that, click on the path and click on add it. So if you have never added this particular path here, you may not be able to see. In that case, you have to go click on new, and here you need to paste the path of two different folders. So one is this path, so where your actual files are located. So grab this path and paste it over here. Click on anywhere and click on new again, because we need to add two different directories. Another one is the scripts folder. So click on the script, grab this path and again paste it over here. So these are the two paths which you need to add it to your environment variable. Once this is done, click on OK. For me, I'm doing it cancel because it is already there, and do OK again. Just restart your machine, and next time whenever you are running pip, you will see that it's working as expected. Do let me know in comments whether it resolved your issue or not. If you really find it useful, make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you.